Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So you're a trader or you have some interest in trading cryptocurrency. Well, I have a new interesting platform for you. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, Margex. As you expect, pretty simple, pretty clean, easy to use, good interface. And as you can see here, that's a trading guide, quick start, video tutorial, and how to make a deposit, how to buy Bitcoin, how to trade leverage, referral program, and the platform itself, what's it about, and the privacy, their certificates, everything, and that your money is secure with them. And they also have a good liquidity to cover most of trades. So things are quite nice here. And then you click continue trading. Of course, you need to sign up first before you start trading. Sign up process is quite easy, simple to use. You just put your email and the password and you're good to go. Pretty simple, not much of us are around there. And as you can see here, you're on the trading platform. That's where the fun starts. Before you start trading, of course, you need to deposit some amount of money, and in order for you to do so, you need to go to wallet, and then you'll find this deposit button here. You click it, and then you will have some options whether you want to buy it with credit or debit card, or you can even deposit some Bitcoin directly to your wallet over here. You can just go to your external wallet and copy that address and then deposit your money, and it will be a matter of minutes, probably even seconds, and then you're good to go. So let's go back to trade and see what's going on. Of course, that's a trading platform offering you up to 100x leverage. That's a lot. I don't recommend you to enter that kind of 100x territory unless you're extremely experienced trader, and I would say that the market is giving you all the signs and all the temptations to enter such a trade. Me personally, I would say my sweet spot between 10 and 15. If I'm feeling a bit risky, I can extend it all the way to 20, but some people can feel a bit risky over 50, 60, even 100. So this platform has it all. So it's up to you to choose. Although I don't recommend getting up to 100x leverage. That's a bit too much to risk for me. So as you can see here, the interface is quite simple. You have a limit order, you have a market order. Limit order meaning that you will have to wait until the market hits a certain point, and then your order will be executed, and the market order will be immediate. Market order simply means that you can just enter with the exact price point in front of you. As we speak here, the price is 29.986, so your order will be executed at that exact price. Of course, you can long it, you can short it. Longing mean that you can speculate on the price to go upwards, and then you make money, and shorting means that you speculate that the price will drop, and then you can make money. If it goes the other way, then you lose money. So you have to be a bit experienced with what you're doing. Of course, here you have cross leverage, and you also have here the margins up to 100x, so you can be a bit careful with what you're doing. That's up to you, of course, but as I told you, trading with leverage can be slightly extremely risky. As you can see here, they have some pairs of coins you can choose from: BTC USD, Ethereum USD, XRP USD, Litecoin, EOS, Cardano. They have Solana. They have a lot of coins you choose from. For me now, I'm just focusing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the hottest topic right now. It's a market leader, of course, the biggest dominator in the market, and you will need to get acquainted with Bitcoin whenever ever you want to trade any other altcoin. You will have to first have a look at Bitcoin, see how it's behaving, and then translate that into a potential movement. So once you enter a trade, let's say a long trade, and the price is going up, so you want to adjust your take profit and stop loss. And here you can adjust your take profit and stop loss quite easy. You enter your trade and you will find an edit button, so you can have the take profit TP or stop loss SP, and you can adjust these according to your strategy. Of course, you can play with these as much as you want, but I would say if you're scalping or if you're day trading, try to aim at around 2 to 3% profit or so, and then put your stop loss around 1 to 1.5%. So it's up to you, it's up to your own strategy. It's just a personal preference for me that I just keep my take profit and stop loss quite strict, so I don't lose consecutive trades in a row, but I just need to play around and just experience the market first before I enter bigger trades. So things are just looking quite well and easy to use over here. And once you take your profit and stop your loss, you can even change your leverage into a specific trade, meaning that if the market is going well and you want to increase your leverage, you can just enter such a trade and adjust it slightly and tweak it a little bit in order for you to even benefit more from the market movement. And here they have the built-in indicator, so you can, for instance, get the indicator over here. Choose your indicator. For instance, me here, I have the EMA, that's the EMA 200, that's the EMA 50, and they're crossing towards the downside, signaling a bearish move. And you can adjust the color, you can adjust the thickness of the lines, and you can add even more indicators. Over here you have the volume, and you can, for instance, put the MACD indicator, so you can have a good overview overview of the market. As you can see here, here's the MACD and the MACD histogram. So you pretty much can have everything in one place, so you don't have to jump over to other platforms to analyze the market. You can do at least quick analysis, reliable analysis over here whenever you are trading. So that's quickly how to trade and how to spot good trade or good entry position, and then adjust your take profit and stop loss. And then you can quickly close a deal if you want to take profit immediately. You don't have to wait until the price hits a certain point. You can just click close now or quick close, and everything will be just sorted out for you, and you can run away with your profits and everything is good. And if you're in a loss and you want to stop your loss even earlier than your set target for stop loss, you can even do so with a quick close and call it a day, and that's it. So you can, you should experience a little bit more. You should do some more trades with a lower volume first, and then the more experience you gain, the more risk willing you can be, and the more risk taker you can be in order for you to be successful in cryptocurrency trading. For now, the market is not really doing great. Bitcoin is waiting for a big move. As you can see, we're consolidating over here. That's the 30 minutes time frame, and if you look at a bigger scale, you will find that Bitcoin is somehow waiting. It's forming a pattern over here, and it's waiting for a big move. Once we get out of this pattern, we can expect some big move. As you can see here, that's a pattern forming, and we're zigzagging within it. So once we get out of it, we can expect some pretty big move for Bitcoin, so you can benefit also from the Bitcoin movement. Also, something rather important here, that they have a night vision and they have a day vision. If you prefer it to be white or if you prefer it to be black, that's up to you. Me personally, I just like the dark theme for everything, all my devices. And also here they have the mobile app. You can download it, iOS, Android, set it up, easy to go, and just with a QR code you can get everything clear and going. So things are quite easy and simple and stable. Actually, you can get an execution up to probably 5 milliseconds or so. So once you click execute, you can execute your order and you're good to go for trading. That's it for this platform. As I told you, everything is linked down below, so I would highly advise you also to look at it and to see what's what and get yourself more involved. As you can see here, they have also the referral program, so you can share it with your friends and you can gain some benefits, and your friends also will gain some benefits, and you can share your referral link, and this is counting for you the commission rate and the total referrals and the funded referrals. Everything is just in one place, so you can have an overview on your finances with this platform. That's it for now, and that's it. Yeah. So guys, in a nutshell, we went through Margex, a new trading platform for those who are interested and excited about trading cryptocurrency. Everything is linked down below in the description. I highly recommend you to check it out, get yourself more informed and get more involved. And everything is quite interesting in the cryptocurrency space right now, so it would be a good opportunity for you to start at least scratching the surface and seeing what's going on. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below, and see you next video. Bye bye.